Good morning, everyone. My hair's a mess. The good news is my stomach's feeling better, and I ate quite a big breakfast. There's my tea, morning tea, and I had rice with instant noodles, some sausages, and fried bird. But I couldn't finish all of it because my stomach's feeling icky still. But I have this. I've been wanting to eat since yesterday, but I'm scared of eating chocolates. But oh well. I won't be going anywhere for the day. I'll be staying in the hotel because my stomach's not that great. So I'm just gonna rest because we're flying home tomorrow. Hi again, it's me. It's currently 2:30 and I'm still in bed, but I need to shower now because my mom and dad's gonna be back at any minute and we're gonna head out to go shopping again for, I don't know, makeup, skincare, or anything we can find. Hi y'all, I just finished my shower. I did my makeup super subtle because I didn't wear any foundation or concealers because my skin's not the best, so I don't want to upgrade it any further. So I'm doing a natural look. I tried on a new eyeliner. It's dark brown. I bought it here in Phuket and I'm in love. Like, it looks so good on me. It's really pretty. It's soft and subtle. But anyways, I want to show you guys my outfit. Wait, let me switch. Hi, this is my outfit. Yes, it's the same look from Singapore. The story behind it is we planned the Phuket trip first, so I bought this for Phuket, but then we planned to go to Singapore and I was like, I can wear it to Singapore as well because it's super comfortable and it's clean looking. So yeah, I'm wearing the same fit again. My parents are on their way back, so we're in a bit of a hurry. On the way to get lunch. I'm going back to my room because my stomach's feeling sicky again after I just ate fried rice, so I need to heal myself a bit. Back in my room. Take off my shoes. There are my slippers. Put the keys there. The room's a bit messy, so I'm not gonna show you guys everything, but yeah, it's toilet time. I'll see you guys later. Just finished and now I'm gonna head back to the lobby to meet up with the rest of the family because they're waiting for me at the lobby. Hi, so I'll see you guys on the road, I guess. Did I ever tell you guys where we're going today? So we just had lunch, as you can see. We're heading to the main hotel, JW Marriott, because we're at the villa area, not the main hotel. So we're going to the main hotel and then we're gonna walk to a nearby 7-Eleven there because the 7-Eleven near us is quite small. So we're gonna look at their 7-Eleven because they're bigger. And then we're gonna head back into JW Marriott and hang at the beach club, I guess. And then my parents have a massage, a Thai massage scheduled at 6. So me and my cousins are just gonna hang out at the beach club while we wait. And if I'm feeling a bit icky, I'll just head back to the hotel by myself again. We're waiting for a shuttle to take us to JW Marriott. I'm currently exploring because it looks like fun here and we haven't been here. Fun court is for tennis and basketball. There's no one's here. I think these bikes are for free. The court is kind of small, but it seems fun. More free bikes and billiards. There's people playing, so I'm not gonna film there. We're at a 7-Eleven looking for more stuff to buy. We're at the main hotel. There's an elephant there. My bangs. I bought the eye roll that TikTok recommended me, and also this lip plumping stuff. Seems promising. Hi guys, I know there's a lot of things on today's vlog, but today is just a rest day because tomorrow's flight back home is super early, so we're just gonna go head to bed early. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.